Never say never, right? I swore my 5th gen 4Runner and I were soulmates. Built for adventure, ready for anything. But here I am, about to say something I never thought I'd say.
It's not you, it's me.
Yep, this feels like an awkward breakup. Let me explain why I'm letting go of my trusty rig and why this might just be the perfect chance for you to swoop in and start your own epic journey with this beast.
Seriously, this rig is the GOAT of Toyota 4Runners. It's not about some shiny new model stealing my heart, and it's definitely not because I have stopped loving this vehicle, because it might be the best vehicle I've ever owned. Life's changing. My wife is pregnant, and we're expecting a small adventurer to arrive sometime in the next couple of months. We're having a little girl, and as the old story goes, if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. And well, as she's getting more pregnant by the day, she's finding it harder and harder to get into and out of the 4Runner. And don't get me wrong, it is perfect for tearing up trails. But for daily life and living with a newborn, we need something a little more stock. Something that screams car seats, diaper bags, and less Rubicon Trail, if you understand what I'm saying.
From stock to absolutely built. Man, this 4Runner and I have been through so much. I still remember tackling the Trans-America Trail. Miles of dirt, mud, and pure freedom. This thing ate it up. Camping trips where we'd just pull off some random forest road, pop the hatch, and sleep under the stars. Off-road events where we'd roll up, flex the suspension, and turn heads. Every pinstripe, every scratch, it's like a scrapbook of adventures. This 4Runner wasn't just a vehicle, it was my partner in crime, my ticket to the wild. But now, our family's growing, our daughter's coming, and we're trading late night trail runs for late night feedings. This rig's built for epic overlanding, not school drop-offs. And as much as it kills me to say it, it's time for someone else to take the wheel and write the next chapter of this 4Runner story. As I said before, this was a bucket list build, so let's go over its current mods.
We have SSO sliders, 35-inch tires, Icon rebound wheels, SPC uppers, remote bypass, extended travel, front coilovers from Dobinson's, long travel, rear setup from Dobinson's. Amazing how much flex this has. In addition to that, we have extended brake lines, extended bumps, adjustable panhard, upper and lower links, C4 Overland rear bumper, Dobinson snorkel, Alpha Rex headlights, SSO front bumper, Warren Xeon 10S Platinum winch, and high clearance cuts for good measure. And don't want to forget the rigid fogs. Now, as far as battery management, it does have a dual battery system. We've got 60,000 miles on the clock. Override switch for the dual battery. I have the main and auxiliary readout right here as well. Manual stick lever for the transfer case, crawl control, rear locker. It's got a few little dingy spots here and there, but overall it's in great condition, extremely good mechanical shape.
So here's the deal. This 5th gen 4Runner is in prime shape, ready for its next adventure. It's got the heart of a warrior and the soul of an explorer. If you're someone who's ever had to part ways with a dream vehicle, maybe you've been through this breakup too, you get it. You know what it's like to love something so much but realize it's time to let it go to someone who'll love it just as fiercely. If that's you, if you're ready to take this legend on new trails, hit me up. Let's make sure this 4Runner keeps living its best life because, trust me, it's still got plenty of stories to tell. Guys, if you know anybody out there looking for a 5th gen that is built, turnkey, if you will, ready to go, send them my way. I will leave some different ways to contact me in the description. This has been a really difficult video to put together, but here we are, and hopefully somebody can get in this vehicle and enjoy it and make a lifetime of memories. I will always say this is the one that got away. It's got a special place in my heart. Gonna be part of my core memory for a long time, but hey, I've got other projects I've got to work on. I've got to turn my attention to some other things. I've got a little girl that'll be here anytime to go along with my sidekick, my little boy, and becoming a family of 4. So there's a lot of things to do here. Again, if you know of anybody looking, just you know, have them reach out. And I'm located here in Southwest Arkansas. I'd love to be able to talk, and maybe we could get together on some numbers. Let me know out there, what is the one that got away for you? What is your one vehicle you wish you'd have never have sold? I'm just curious to know. I'm gonna probably look back on that in 10, 15 years and be like, man, I could have came up with any other way to have not have sold that. I wish I would have, but man, I don't know. You got to do what you got to do. Thank you guys so much. I really enjoyed spending some time with you today and sharing my love for my 5th gen 4Runner. Thank you guys.